friends, this lesson is for Module 1, Lesson 15. Our learning goal for today says, I can count on using different strategies. Hey, in our last lesson we talked about counting on, and we also talked about different strategies, but today we're going to give them names. Ready? Here we go. We can use good thinking as a strategy for counting on. When we use our good thinking, we're just thinking of different things that we can do to find the answer. We can count on with our good thinking by saying the biggest number and then counting on with the smaller number. So when I see the problem 6 plus 2, I think in my good brain, I'm going to say 6 and then I'll add up 2 more. Go ahead and use good thinking with me. Let's say 6 and add up. 6, 7, 8. Perfecto. So that's good thinking. We're just using our brain. Another strategy could be our counting 6. Go ahead and I want you to hold your 2 hands up in front of your face and open your fingers wide. So they look just like mine. As I count down the numbers, I want you to bend over your finger one at a time so you can count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should have one hand. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. All right, so those are our counting sticks. They're the numbers, or they're the tools that we can use for this strategy to count on. So for example, if I had 7 plus 3, what I would do is I would just say the biggest number, which is, yeah, that's right, 7. And I would hold up 3 fingers. Go ahead and hold up 3 fingers. Perfecto, just like I did. All right, now I have 3 fingers. I'm just going to count on by tapping those fingers. Ready? 7. Go ahead and tap your finger. 8, 9, 10. Oh, perfect. So 7 plus 3 must be 10. See, in that strategy, I'm still using a little bit of good thinking by thinking about the biggest number and then counting on the smallest one. But I'm using my fingers, or my counting sticks, as an extra tool. That's one of my favorite strategies. Then the last one is 5 group cards. If you notice, all these cards had different numbers, and they're all organized in groups of 5. I mean, there's only one on the one card, but it's in the row there the group of 5 would be able to be. So, with 5 group cards, you use those dots to help you count on. Now, yesterday we just drew in the dots, so it's kind of like we took the dots off the cards. But if you have 5 group cards, you could use those to count on. If I had 5 plus 3, I could get out my 5 group card that had 3 dots on it. And I can count up using those 3 dots. So I would say 5 and then tap on the dots to count up 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer is 8. See how I use the dot cards to help me? Again, if you don't have the dot cards, you can just go ahead and draw the circles. Okay, so we have using our good thinking, using our counting sticks, and using those 5 group cards. Those are all options for strategies we can use to solve a problem. Our learning goal for today says, I can count on using different strategies, and that's exactly what we talked about. This is what I want you to do. I want you to go ahead and seesaw your teacher, and I want you to find the answer 4 plus 3 equals what? But in the answer, I also want you to make a video and tell your teacher, did you solve it by using good thinking? Did you use counting sticks? Or did you use 5 dot cards? If you did a mix-a-roo of some of them, like maybe you did good thinking and your counting sticks, tell your teacher your good strategy. Good luck, friends.